Hello friends, welcome to the next video tutorial in the series of XHTML and CSS. In this video we are going to learn about margins. Actually in the last two videos we have learned about padding and border. Padding, border and margins are known as box model in CSS. Please remember, I'm just repeating the sentence. Padding, border and margin are known as box model in CSS. So in box model, this is the last topic we are going to discuss. First of all, what is a margin? We know what is padding. The distance between the text and the border is known as padding, and we know what is border, right? And now we are going to see what is margin. Margin is nothing but the area which is outside the border is known as margin. The area which is inside the border is known as padding. The area which is outside the border is known as margin. Okay, that's the basic difference. Outside margin, inside the border is known as padding. Anyway, now for example, now we'll take two paragraphs. Paragraph opening tag and paragraph ending tag, and I am also taking one more paragraph. This. Now I'm styling my paragraph, and I'm giving background color for my paragraph as yellow, for example, or pink. You can give no props, any color, whatever color you want, you can give that. So this is what I want to give. Okay, my background color is pink now. So now save it and just refresh the web page. Oh, something wrong. Yeah, I have not written anything in my paragraph. So this is my first paragraph. Paragraph spelling wrong. Yeah, I just copy this and I'll just paste it. It's just for example. Yeah. Now save it and just refresh the browser. See, you can see two type of text over here, and background color as pink. Now what my intention is, we know what is margin. Margin is outside the border, the area outside the border. Now for every paragraph by default they have some margin. So if you want to change your margin, or if you want to customize your margin, just you have to use the attribute as margin, and you can give 10 pixels. 10 pixels in the sense, if I give, it's just like same it's just same like it's just same like a padding, where padding 10 pixels means for left 10 pixels, right 10 pixels, top 10 pixels, bottom 10 pixels. In the same way margin is also same, but the only attribute changes and the difference between them is different. So see, margin 10 pixels means, now refresh. Of course I have not saved it. Save it and just refresh it. See, now the margin between the two paragraphs has changed. Now it has 10 pixels of margin between these two paragraphs. Means left 10 pixels, right 10 pixels, top 10 pixels and bottom 10 pixels. So this is what left, right, top and bottom margins. So this is the margin attribute. It's same like padding attribute, like padding top, padding bottom, padding left, padding right. So in the same way we also have a margin top, margin bottom, margin left, margin right, like that. So whatever the, if you want only margin top, if you want to have only margin of top, then you have to use the attribute margin top, and you have to use 10 pixels. Just refresh it, save it and just refresh it. See, now only the top has 10 pixels and the paragraph has its default margin. So in this way we can use margin attribute. If you want to write margin attribute in only one line, then you can go, you have to use the same logic which we have used for padding. Means 10 pixels and 20 pixels and 30 pixels and 40 pixels, for example. Okay, so here 10 pixels represents top margin, 20 pixels represent right margin, 30 pixels represent bottom margin, and 40 pixels represents left margin. Now save it and just refresh it. So 10 pixels is top margin, this one, okay, and 20 pixels is right margin, this is 20 pixels, and 30 pixels is bottom margin, this is the 30 pixels, and 40 pixels is a left margin, this is a 40 pixel left margin. So in this way, if you give only one thing, then it consider 4, left, right, bottom and top, whole 10 pixels. If you give two attributes, then top and bottom will be 10 pixels and left and right would be 5 pixels. If you give three values, then top will be 10 pixels, bottom will be 10 pixels, and 5 pixels will be left and right margins. So in this way we can use it, just similar, it just same like padding attribute. Nothing will be changed, only the attribute name changes, that's it. The property name changes. There we use padding, and margin here we use as property name. So this is about margin, and by this we have completed the box model in CSS. Hope you enjoy the video and you understand, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for this video. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.